me red Camaro, there goes the green, here comes the Camaro on the right. Just a bit to the right. So tower side, we'll get there first. 1318. On the back, taking on the GoPro than the other one. So we got a bit of a new school, old school atmosphere going on here. So remember, our beer garden, our bar, Slicks is... lane here. Alright, a pair of Camaros, the newest one, the newest mode, the newest mark, the 6th gen. Coming to the line here now. Small block cars, LS motors. I have no idea what the cubes are, so I get the tech cards. Ultra green before he left. You must wait until it's ultra yellow and then leave. 13.4 at 112 to a 13.09 at 1. I've been bad shit.
$12.9 $12.9.
About 11:30, so batten down the hatches. Be aware, be ready. Hear me, Bill Richards? Make sure those are all done. And the Ford is ahead. What to do? Yeah, up the road. So 12 miles an hour, even though Jack said 97 and 82 miles an hour.
Welcome back to another video from Toronto Motorsports Park in Cayuga. We had an unbelievable time. I took this super slow down the drag strip for the very first time as a total amateur, never done it before, and I ran 2:12.9s. It was literally unbelievable. Stock tires, stock internal, stock everything. Car ran like a champion. It hooked up and I launched down that strip like I owned it. Spectacular. There's going to be a lot more of this to come. I just wanted to show you guys how cool my car looks with race car numbers, because I am now a race car driver. So I'm adding that to my official resume, and anybody getting a job application from me, I'm a race car driver.